how to work with dates and times. First, we'll see how to create date, time, and datetime objects. Python has a module called Datetime, which specifically deals with date and time. Um, it specifically works with date and time, and it is useful for when you have to access date and time in a code. So we write for that we first import the module date time, writing import date time, and then I create the object for the module. So that will be datetime underscore object is equal to datetime dot now. So the dot now gives the current date time uh, of my computer or of my device. So now I print this object and I will get my current date time, as you can see. So it gives you down to the milliseconds the date and the time. Now if I want just the date, I will write date object is equal to datetime dot date dot today. So this will give me the today's date. Next is time underscore object. So for the time object, we can directly use datetime dot now, and in that the time attribute. You could also do this for date. This is just specifically which gives today's date. So now we print both of these objects, and here when we print, we get the today's date and today's time as separate objects. Now first we get date time, this is a date and this is time. We have created objects of date time, date, and we have created objects of date time, date, and time in Python using the datetime module.